Shenzhen, Yudiao CNC Technology Company Limited was founded in 2008, is a professional engaged in CNC machine tool R&D manufacturing, sales and service integration enterprises, development, manufacturing, sales and service integration enterprises. The company has a high level of professional personnel, technical excellence, management of rich, high-quality team, set decades of professional CNC machine tool R&D and manufacturing experience, long-term accumulation of rich experience, advanced testing equipment and scientific management methods. The company's products have been recognized. Our company launched the following 6 mainstream products: high-speed precision engraving and milling machine, precision engraving machine, drilling and tapping machine center, vertical machining center, gantry machining center machine tool. The machine tools produced by the company have the characteristics of high speed, high precision, high rigidity, high performance, and high efficiency. The company has a sound quality management system, from the program research and development, production and processing, assembly process, precision testing. All procedures are strictly in accordance with SOP.GB T24109, 2009 related standards. We have international first-class testing equipment to ensure product quality and have a high-quality and efficient after-sales service team, finished product inspection to provide customers with fast and high-quality service. The company people-oriented and good faith for the purpose, consistently with stable and reliable quality and excellent service to create value for customers. Welcome people of insight to negotiate CNC engraving industry. Sincere cooperation, win-win development.